Proof of work is back in the spotlight. While most of crypto chases scalability, a quiet rally is building around the original consensus, and privacy coins like Firo are leading the charge. Over the last day, proof-of-work assets outperformed every major sector, beating Layer 1s and smart contract platforms by a noticeable margin. This isn't a flash pump, it's a structural shift in capital flow. Leading the rally is Firo, a privacy-focused coin that uses zero-knowledge proofs to hide transaction details. Its capped supply of 21.4 million coins mirrors Bitcoin's scarcity narrative, but with anonymity baked in. Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 58.8%. That tells us institutional and retail capital is rotating into established POW assets. But as BTC consolidates, the attention trickles down to privacy coins like Firo. So why privacy coins now? Renewed global regulatory scrutiny is driving demand for anonymous transactions. When governments tighten surveillance, privacy tech becomes not just a feature but a necessity. Firo uses two cutting-edge protocols, Lelantus and Spark. Lelantus burns coins to hide amounts and origins. Spark adds scalability with light clients. This isn't just privacy theater, it's real engineering. What makes this rally different from previous privacy coin surges? It's not driven by speculation alone. The POW sector as a whole is gaining traction because miners are returning to the chain that started it all. There's also a macroeconomic angle. With energy prices stabilizing and proof-of-stake security questions lingering, some investors view POW as a more battle-tested guarantee of immutability. Privacy adds a second layer of value. Firo's recent network upgrade sharpened its edge. Faster transaction finality and lower fees mean it can compete in everyday payments, not just dark net use cases. Use cases matter for long-term price support. In the past 24 hours, Firo climbed over 12% against Bitcoin. That kind of relative strength signals market participants are betting on privacy gaining a permanent slice of the crypto pie. But there's risk. Privacy coins often get delisted from major exchanges due to compliance fears. Firo's team has worked to stay compliant while retaining anonymity, a tightrope walk that could limit upside. Still, the broader market context is favorable. Bitcoin's rally has cooled, and traders are hunting for high beta plays. Privacy coins historically outperform in these rotation phases, and this time POW adds a scarcity narrative. Another factor, the hash rate. Firo's ASIC-resistant algorithm means a broader base of solo miners can participate. Decentralized mining supports the network's resilience and its privacy promises. Looking at on-chain data, active addresses on Firo jumped 20% in the last week. That's organic growth, not just exchange wallets. Real users are transacting, which often precedes sustained price moves. The privacy coin market cap, excluding Monero, sits at under $1 billion. That's tiny relative to the overall crypto market. A small inflow of capital can create outsized moves, and we're seeing that now. Some argue proof of work is obsolete. But its resurgence proves that security and decentralization still command a premium. Privacy coins combine those attributes with fungibility, a rare trifecta. Keep an eye on broader regulatory signals. The EU's travel rule and US Treasury guidance both create headwinds for privacy. But each crackdown historically drives more users toward anonymous coins. Technically, Firo has broken out of a 6-month descending triangle. Volume confirms the breakout. If it holds above key support at $2.50, the next target is the $4 area, a potential double from here. But don't chase blindly. Privacy coins are volatile. The rally may be front-running a catalyst like a major exchange relisting or a protocol upgrade. Stay disciplined with position sizing. Compare this to the 2021 privacy coin mania, then, it was driven by retail hype. Now, we see accumulation by larger wallets. Whales are buying Firo, a bullish divergence. What does this mean for your portfolio? If you believe privacy is a permanent human right, coins like Firo offer both ideology and upside. But they require conviction to hold through regulation scares. The bigger picture, POW resurgence signals a market rediscovering the value of proof of work. Privacy coins are the cutting edge within that trend. Watch Firo, but also monitor Monero, Zcash, and others. That's the state of the POW privacy rally. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We bring you the real moves before the mainstream catches on. See you in the next video. Sources: CoinGecko Sector Data, Firo White Paper, Coinmetrics On-Chain Analysis, Messari Regulatory Report. Links in description. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more deep dives.